the dog right there.
We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen,
Hey, don't grab anything.
Yeah, I'm grabbing.
Hey,
Grab.
don't grab anything.
Hey, don't.
On March 7th, 2026, at approximately 11:15 p.m., LAPD officers from the Southeast Patrol Division responded to a robbery in progress at a 7-Eleven convenience store at 15,300 South Figueroa Street in Harbor Gateway, Los Angeles. When they arrived, they found 53-year-old Cynthia Ann Ivy Akers standing behind the store's front counter.
LA City 911 for 938.
Yeah, can you send the police here at 15 on Figueroa, 4 Street is without the beach at this.
And why do you need the police, sir?
Yeah, we have a white lady up in there, came in, is right behind the counter, came and take cigarette, open it, smoking, and he has a knife, he have scissors with him. They bring the dog in, the dog have no leash on him. He's in the store trying to fight. He said this store is his store, this store belongs to him.
What color clothing does he have on, sir?
He has a pink shirt on, pink shirt and a gray jean.
Okay. And you said he's armed. Does he have the knife in his hand or is it in his pocket?
Yeah, he has a knife, he has scissors, and in his back they have the dog. The dog don't have no chain.
Okay, hang on one second.
Yeah, bring the dog.
I'm sorry, is the knife in his hands or is it in his pocket or his backpack?
His hand.
Okay, it's a knife. Is it a pocket knife, a kitchen knife?
Pocket knife, and he have the scissors in his hand, in his pocket.
Okay, so he has a knife and scissors as well.
Mom, we need a police.
Sir, I need to ask you these questions for the police. I need to ask you these questions for the police to please answer my questions. Does he have knife and scissors? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah,
yes or no? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of dog is it?
Yeah, well, I don't know what kind of. I can't describe it. The dog has
Is it large or small?
A small dog. No, small dog. Not too small, but small dog.
Is he threatening anyone with the weapon? Did he threaten the clerk with the weapon?
Well, the way he look, he's threatening us. That's how he look.
So looking and threatening is different. Did he threaten anyone with a knife, yes or no?
Well, he didn't threaten us with a knife, but he has a knife with him. He has a scissors. He came in.
Is he behind the counter still, sir? Is he behind the counter?
Yeah, he's there right now. Yes, right now.
What's your name and telephone number?
My phone number is... My name is... SIR.
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stand on line with me. Let me get some officers going. Don't hang up. Southeast units, possible ADW suspect there now, 15-3 South Figueroa inside the suspect's a male white, wearing a pink shirt, gray jeans, holding a pocket knife, has scissors in his pocket, has a small dog off leash. Stand by for additional incident 4771 NRD 1881. Southeast unit for the code 0 and identify. Is he still behind the counter, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It's inside the store. It's right here. Customers are looking at her. Everybody. It's crazy.
Is it a man or it's a man, correct? Not a woman?
She's a lady.
It's a woman. Okay.
She's a lady. Yeah.
Go outside. Go outside.
Turn around.
Turn around.
You're gonna get tased. It's gonna hurt really bad.
I sure will.
Okay.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn around.
You're
or you're
not
gonna
even
get
real
tased.
cops.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
Who's your authority? Who is?
Dude.
Because it's me.
Hey, can you just stay on her?
We don't want to hurt your dog.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Yeah, I'm grabbing. I grab.
Hey.
Officers issued multiple verbal commands ordering Akers to comply. She ignored every command. Akers then moved toward the counter, reached into a zippered bag, pulled out what appeared to be a handgun, and pointed it directly at officers. Officers opened fire, striking Akers. She was taken into custody, and officers immediately rendered medical aid while requesting LAFD response. Paramedics arrived and pronounced Akers dead at the scene. No officers or bystanders were injured. The investigation later revealed the weapon Akers pointed at officers was a pellet gun, not a real firearm. It was recovered and booked as evidence.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn
You're not even real cop. Okay? Who's your authority? Who is? Because it's me.
Okay, listen.
There's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach for
I'm grabbing
anything.
it.
Hey,
Grab.
don't grab anything.
Turn around.
You're not even real cop. Okay? Who's your authority? Who is? Because it's me. Okay?
There's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach
Yeah,
for
I'm grabbing
anything.
it.
Hey,
Grab.
don't grab anything. Exam 1 shot fire, shots offered its help.
There's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. We're just trying to talk. Listen, hey. Listen, hey.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach
Yeah,
for
I'm grabbing it.
anything.
Hey.
Grab.
Go outside. Turn around.
No.
You're gonna get tased. It's gonna hurt really bad.
I sure will.
Okay. Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn around.
You're not even real cop.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
Who's your authority? Who is?
Dude.
Because it's me.
Okay, listen.
There's a dog back there.
We're just trying to talk. We're just trying to talk.
We don't want to hurt your dog.
Listen,
Hey, don't grab anything.
Don't reach
Yeah,
for
I'm grabbing it.
anything.
Hey,
Grab.
don't
LAPD's Force Investigation Division assumed investigative responsibility. The discovery that the weapon was a pellet gun adds a tragic dimension to the encounter. Officers had no way of distinguishing it from a real firearm in the moment Akers raised it toward them.